Hello, good morning. Today is the day I'm getting my hair done. I've been talking about it for weeks. I'm so excited. It is about time. So my hair is super grown out. My balayage is super grown out. And I want to get just like an all over color. I just want it to be even. I just don't want this balayage anymore. My hair is straightened right now, which I don't very often, but I figured it kind of works out anyways because it might be easier to work with this than like my crazy wavy mane, especially if she brushes it out. It's interesting because my balayage, it does look more grown out when it's straight like this, but it also looks more even and just like smooth. But when it's curly or wavy, it is like this naturally, so you can see a lot more of the dark pieces and it looks more like highlights. So that's kind of been my issue with this balayage for my naturally wavy hair, is just that I feel like it does look a little bit more highlighty instead of like an actual balayage. Anyways, my camera stopped recording, but I do like the balayage, and it adds dimension, but I just feel like I really want an all over color again, and I think I prefer that on myself. So I'm drinking my coffee. I'm gonna go put some makeup on because I have to leave in like 15-20 minutes. We'll go do that and then we'll head to my appointment.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry my service bad. My bad. When I wake up you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to...
Okay guys, just got out of my appointment. I'm gonna go home and show it to you with my camera, but this is it on my phone. I'm sorry, I'm like shivering because it's so cold, but I love my hair. We did a little like curtain bang moment, just like really thin and long, and then this is my hair. So it's definitely darker on the ends than it was before, but it's lighter than my natural color all over. It's just a more even tone. But I'm gonna drive home and then I'll show you guys my hair when I get home, but I'm shivering and shaking and I need to warm up the car. Okay guys, so it's actually a couple of days later. The weekend was kind of crazy. I was really busy and didn't get a chance to sit down and like film and show you guys my hair really. I know I did in the car after the hair appointment. I just wanted to show it to you really quickly right now because I think I'm gonna go wash it and style it like naturally wavy. I'm really excited to see how it looks because I haven't yet, especially with like my little curtain bangs, which are kind of a mess right now. They're not looking very cute, but I don't have a round brush yet. I need to go pick one up so that I can actually properly style them. I've kind of just been like brushing my hair out and then like trying to get them to like lay nicely, but it's kind of hard because I need like a round brush to actually style them the right way. So I'm excited to pick that up, and then I also am really curious to see how they're going to look with my wavy hair. It's definitely a cloudy day, so I do wish I could show you in better natural lighting, but I just have like my living room and kitchen lights on right now, and hopefully that does a decent job. It's definitely more of an all over tone now. Like it is overall lighter as far as she did bleach up to my roots pretty much, but then the ends are darker, if you can see the difference. It's just kind of like an all over light brown tone. She did tone it a lot, so I know that this really cool tone is gonna fade out a little bit, and I'm gonna have to figure out a way to keep it up. And then also probably go back for, whoops, I'm getting out of focus. Probably go back for like a tone every now and then. I really love this haircut. It's definitely some layers and texturizing, but nothing crazy. I'll show you the back really quickly so that maybe you can see the color a little bit better. I'm gonna go wash my hair and shower now, and I'm really excited to see how this looks with my natural hair. Of course, I'll show you guys that. All right, so excuse the mess in the background, but my hair is like pretty much completely dry. If it's not quite there, it's almost there. I feel a little bit of a cast and my curls are looking pretty nice right now, actually. When it was drying, I was seeing a little bit of frizz, so I was a little bit worried there for a minute, but I think it's gonna be okay. It's really nice to have some layers back in my hair, so I think that's part of what's helping with a little bit better shrinkage, but I am gonna scrunch my hair out now with my Verb Ghost Oil, and I'll do that here on camera. I didn't film styling it. I just used like a leave-in, a really light gel, and a mousse, and I always use my oil at the end, especially after bleaching my hair. First smooth over the top because I do feel a little bit of halo frizz, and then we'll go ahead and scrunch it out. I feel a little bit of dampness back here. That's okay. I'm kind of in a bit more of a hurry tonight, so we'll just scrunch that out. Okay guys, so this is the color and how it looks on my natural hair. Definitely darker, definitely more even. I am really happy with this. I love having this tone on my hair. I've never seen it before all over like this because it is a little bit lighter than my natural hair, but it's not like that balayage. And the tone is definitely a little bit different than what I'm used to seeing, and I really like it. It's like really rich. Hopefully you guys can see in this lighting. Again, it's very cloudy outside, so I can't get like super good natural lighting, but you guys will see in future videos. I film in natural lighting a lot of the times. I'm gonna part it and show you guys what the curtain bangs kind of look like, or like the fringe in the front of my hair with my natural wave pattern. So my hair kind of parts where it wants to when I have it natural like this. So this is like the closest to a middle part I can get with it still being a straight line. And this is what it looks like. So you can definitely tell that I have more like volume and lift at the roots of my hair than I normally do because of those layers, that texturizing, and then also these face framing pieces in the front. It just really lightens the hair and helps with volume at the root, which I'm obsessed with, and I've missed it so much. But these are the front pieces. So they just kind of look like face framing pieces that blend in with the rest of my hair. I'm really glad that they blend so nicely and happy with how it turned out. I was afraid it might look a little odd with my natural hair, but even if I flip it, they just kind of blend in, if you can see. But that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know the footage is kind of all over the place, like all of my like vlogs are. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Do you like this more or less than the balayage? And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.